My name's Rookie White, 16 years old, and I'm a motocross racer. Motocross, it's got it all. It's an adrenaline rush, it's a solo sport. It's a feeling like none other. You just get to do whatever you want. The Phantom, it's different than I would have thought. Once I got up in the air, it felt right. It came naturally. You're almost controlling something that's weightless. Again, it's like motocross, like when you're in the air. You don't even have to do anything except move your thumbs and it just goes crazy. I really do think it offers something different. You can get some crazy pan shots that you couldn't see from the ground. You could see the toughness of jumping and, scrubbing and trying to stay low. It provides new aspects to learning how to train.